did a nice job. Nice job. What's up, you guys? Welcome to the channel. Today we have something very boring on paper, but very cool in real time. You know what I'm saying? And when I say that, it's because like pole saws and string trimmers and stuff don't really tend to grab the most traffic. But I think it's underrated, right? I think that there's some out there that really need a good look at to show you, like, hey, these things can like do a lot of work that you don't think that they could, right?
No, so, especially this is kind of like fine detail to your lawn, you know, an edger.
Yeah.
It makes it look really nice, you know.
There's nothing more satisfying than getting your yard done than when you do the sidewalk and edge it nice and follow it up with the blower.
It does. I know, seriously.
Yeah, that looks good. Unless you get a really powerful one that flies off into your yard, you got all these bad. I've done that. Gas. I did it with gas.
All right.
All right, you guys, Greenworks. Greenworks is killing it for 2020. They are expanding their lineups. They are coming out with just crazy cool quality tools. And basically, this is no different. Today, we're going to talk a little bit about their pole saw and their string trimmer. And their, the string trimmer's not up here, though. I'll grab the string trimmer. We'll talk about it.
That was the 60 one, though. I don't think that was that.
Was that
that's
60?
Not pro. These are the pro ones. This is the pro series.
Oh, I thought there was an 82, you said.
Oh, no, you said it. You told me it was 60.
Oh, okay, it was 60.
Yeah.
I guess we won't talk about that. That's why it's not up here. All right, you guys. Greenworks Pro. Basically, there's Greenworks Commercial. There's Greenworks Pro. This is the Pro. This edger, what's the first thing you've noticed about it?
Power. Absolute power.
Yeah, nothing can stop it.
We took this out, what, about a mile away from us?
Yeah. At the end of our road here, that mile down the road.
So we took it out, and this has not been touched. I can't even tell you when the last time it was touched. But there is like a curb, so we actually did a lot of this curb. And it ran through, I mean, this thick grass, weeds, dirt, all sorts of different things. And I was surprised it did not bog down at all.
Yeah, and you know, it's got a pretty good design to it. The wheel is adjustable. It also has a flap, and nothing shot back up at me. It's like the first time ever. Usually stuff always shoots back up at you and, you know, shoots in your eyes. You always want to wear protection, obviously, when you're working with these.
And speaking, like you said, how they go off, like this one I felt like had a lot of power, but I felt like it was easy to control. Like you said, like other ones, like maybe they might veer off to the right, to the left,
right.
This and that.
This one had the perfect amount of power and perfect amount of control. And I don't know, because it's light, and I don't want to say it's light because... I mean, it's light. It's heavy down that end more than here until you put a battery in it, but then it's pretty balanced. But, I mean, it's not that heavy, but yet I feel it's the perfect weight, right? What do you think?
No, I like it. I don't know. It's...
You know, one thing I really like, too, is when you buy it, it comes in a box. All you got to do is put on this handle. You just put it to where you want it, and that's it.
Nice.
There's no other stuff to mess around with.
You didn't have to put any of this together?
Nope.
Nice.
Or put the bars together or anything like that, right?
Yeah.
Next, you guys, we have the pole saw, okay? The pole saw, you kind of have to put together, right? It basically just clicks in, and then you're going to take an Allen key and tighten all this stuff up and just make sure everything's tight. Good power on this. We got a handle down here, and we got these nice foam areas where we're able to grab. What I noticed with that is I would throw it up on a limb and just rest it on the top, pull the trigger, and it would just cut like butter all the way through. You have to use oil, obviously. The oil's on the top of the unit right there. You can put it in. Easy to adjust the chain, right? If you need to take the bar off or anything like that, there's just one knob to disassemble it and take it apart. Pole saws are weird, right? Do you need a pole saw? It's like, I feel like on my property, I'll use a pole saw once and I'm good for a few years.
Yeah.
You know, I feel like it doesn't come back the next time. But that's why I like having it in battery, because with gas, you know, if I don't use it for 3 years and I go to start it, I'm going to the carb shop, paying $80, get my carb cleaned up. Big gas, put new filters on there, new hose, new da-da-da, and then I'm doing the same thing. Then you're mixing the gas, right? That's the beauty of the whole 80-volt lineup, right? You can plug in battery for, you know, you can have 30 tools and 2 batteries and be able to accomplish jobs, right? I don't know many other cordless edgers like this. I mean,
in what way?
I haven't seen any others.
Because I use the Eagle all the time. That's what I use.
Eagle has a cordless edger?
Mm-hmm.
Really?
I use it all the time.
I didn't even know that.
Yesterday. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, have I seen it?
Yeah, it came out maybe 2 years ago, I think. Maybe.
Wow. Okay. All right.
You know?
We're gonna have to check that out. So
it's kind of the same thing. I like it.
but who else has one? I mean,
I don't know. That's a good question. I don't know if like I haven't seen. Makita's usually really good with their OPE, but I haven't seen one. Doesn't mean they don't have one. But I don't remember seeing one from them.
Right. Either way, you guys, you know, it depends on your flavor. What's better for you? You like Orange, you like Home Depot, you're going to go with the Eagle. You like the Lowe's, you're going to go with the Greenworks, right?
Right? Yeah, exactly.
So, good stuff. Check it out. Let us know what you guys think. Comment below. What is your favorite OPE? And don't comment and rip on stuff until you've tried it. That's what I gotta start telling people. Most people rip on things and they've never tried it, right? When we try tools, I get my impression of a tool within the first 10 seconds.
Whether you like it or not?
Yeah, I'm like, okay, whoa, you know, maybe not, because sometimes...
No, I always pick it up, because if I pick it up and I don't like the balance of it, I'm done with it right away, because I know I'm going to end up fighting it.
Really?
You know what I mean? I do, yeah, because like especially string trimmer, I've done string trimmers where it's very heavy in the back, and I feel like I'm just going to have to, or some of the shafts are very like short, and I'm like, got to bend over. I'm done.
Yeah, with string trimmers, I just like the easy loads.
That's nice. I like that. I like simplicity is nice, you know, but...
Yeah. All right, you guys. Peace out. Comment below. Let us know what you guys think. It's spring. It's mowers, blowers, pole saws, edgers. And what else? Santa.
Definitely for spring.
Yes.
For more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.